Hi guys, September's Craft Box UK is here, and I'll be totally honest with you, I've only used half of July's. Habit started August, and it has September's. There's just so much in it, you can't use it all. But anyway, it says you get one designer paper pad 6x6, companion paper pad 6x6, Snip Art stencil, Snip Art chipboard set, a charm pack, autumn flowers, Mother Nature resin, olive pure mica spray, Lumi copper stencil paste, and autumn ephemera. So I'm excited about it. I'll probably use this one before the last one. I'm kind of hoarding the last one. So here is the copper mica paste or something stencil paste. Lumi stencil paste in copper. Oh, I like that. It's pretty, and you get a lot of it. I love the flowers. Look at these beautiful flowers and the colors. Love them, love them, love them. I love everything about the subscription box, guys. I can't say enough about it. So I guess this is the spray. Yep. Ooh. What is in it? It's kind of... Yeah. That's pretty neat. It's real shimmery. So like that. Whoa! This must be the resin piece. Whoa! Mother Nature resin. That is off the wall gorgeous. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I can't wait to do this one. Oh, look at the charms. I'm not going to take these out because I will lose them. Look at this blue leaf. Gorgeous charms. There's the pumpkins, gold leaves, all kinds of beautiful things in here. And here are your ephemera, which it appears to be different colors of pumpkins and leaves. Wow, I really like this. I love everything about this subscription box. So here's the autumn companion pad, and here's the 6x6 paper collection, which these are good for tags, envelopes, and whatever, pockets, tuck spots. I know a lot of people don't like the 6x6 pads, but I would rather pay less for a 6x6 pad for what I'm going to use it for than have the big 12x12 pads and have a bunch of paper left over. I love that. This is definitely worth the money, guys. It's not expensive. I don't want to make it sound like it's really expensive, but it is well worth every penny you pay for it. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning. And there's a lot of beautiful things you're going to be able to make with this subscription box. And here is the autumn companion pad. Now we're talking. Oh, wow. All of the kitties and the puppies. I love that page. Wow. Wow. I love it. I mean, everything about it. I love it. It's the best subscription box I have ever gotten to date. And you guys know, I go for subscription boxes, and I will probably always belong to this one. It's just freaking awesome. There is so much beauty in one little box. And then this is the chipboard. Oh, there's 2 packs of the chipboard in here. No, are these? Oh, this is the stencil. I love it. Look at that amazing stencil. Really love it. And these are the chipboards. 2 umbrellas, some leaves. Oh man, I really like this. I'm not going to open it because I will lose it. I'm going to put it all back in the box because I keep the boxes lined up over here together until I'm ready to use them. This one will probably get used before the last one, before last month's, because it's autumn. And last month was Shabby Chic. And you know I'm going to save it till the very end. So, yeah, I say it's well worth the money, and it is Craftbox UK. I don't know if they have a Craftbox US. I've never even checked to see. I was watching a crafter from the UK, and she was saying that she gets her stuff from these people, so I went online and looked for it and found it. So I might check to see if there is one for the UK, for the US. They don't charge you the shipping rate to ship from the UK to the United States either. They pay it. So you're not paying an exorbitant amount to get it. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.